Hello, viewers. Welcome to English Grammar Test. Test your English skills. You will have 6 seconds to answer the question. Let's start. Best of luck.
Question 1. She dashed to the store every Saturday. A. Go B. Goes C. Going. Question 2. They dash playing football yesterday. A. Was B. Were C. Is. Question 3. I dash my homework before dinner. A. Finished. B. Finish. C. Finishing. Question 4. He has been dash here since morning. A. Wait. B. Waited. C. Waiting. Question 5. Which is the correct plural form of child? A. Childs. B. Children. C. Childs. Question 6. She sings dash than her sister. A. Good. B. Well. C. Best. Question 7. I will call you dash I arrive. A. After. B. Before. C. Until. Question 8. Choose the correct sentence. A. He don't like apples. B. He doesn't likes apples. C. He doesn't like apples. Question 9. What is the past tense of run? A. Runned. B. Ran. C. Running. Question 10. The book is dash the table. A. On. B. In. C. At. Question 11. I have dash new shoes. A. Some. B. Any. C. Many. Question 12. She is dash tallest in the class. A. The. B. A. C. An. Question 13. Which word is a noun? A. Quickly. B. Happiness. C. Beautiful. Question 14. Fill in the blank. He dash swimming now. A. Is. B. R. C. Am. Question 15. They dashed to school by bus yesterday. A. Goes. B. Went. C. Going. Question 16. I dash seen that movie twice. A. Has. B. Have. C. Had. Question 17. The opposite of happy is dash. A. Sad. B. Angry. C. Excited. Question 18. We dash lunch at 1 p.m. every day. A. eats B, eat C, eating. Question 19. Which sentence is correct? A. I am agree with you. B. I agree with you. C. I agreeing with you. Question 20. She has a lot of dash in her bag. A. Money. B. Monies. C. Much money.
Question 21. Choose the correct form. He dash his keys now. A. Find. B. Is finding. C. Finds.
Question 22. What is the adjective in this sentence? The blue car is fast. A. Car. B. Blue. C. Fast. Question 23. I will visit my friend dash Sunday. A. On. B. In. C. At. Question 24. Which is correct? A. There is 5 apples. B. There are 5 apples. C. There be 5 apples. Question 25. She dashed her keys yesterday. A. Lose. B. Lost. C. Losing. Question 26. Fill in the blank. He dash speaks Spanish. A. Can. B. Will. C. Do. Question 27. They dash been to Paris. A. Have. B. Has. C. Had. Question 28. Choose the correct sentence. A. I am boring in the class. B. The class is boring. C. I boring the class. Question 29. What is the plural of mouse? A. Mouses. B. Mice. E. Mouse. Question 30. She dashed the guitar very well. A. Plays. B. Plays. C. Playing. Question 31. Choose the correct word. I am very dashed today. A. Tired. B. Tiring. C. Tire. Question 32. They dash watching TV now. A. Is. B. R. C. M. Question 33. Fill in the blank. This is dash book I have read. A. The best. B. Best. C. Better. Question 34. What is the past tense of go? A. Goed. B. Went. C. Gone. Question 35. She likes to read dash books. A. Interesting. B. Interested. C. Interest. Question 36. Which sentence is correct? A. They was happy. B. They were happy. C. They is happy. Question 37. I dash to the market tomorrow. A. Go. B. Will go. C. Went. Question 38. Fill in the blank. He dashes homework now. A. Do. B. Does. C. Is doing. Question 39. The cat is dashed the table. A. Under. B. On. C. Between. Question 40. Choose the correct question. A. What you are doing? B. What are you doing? C. What doing you are?
Question 41. They dash at the park every Sunday. A. Play. B. Plays. C. Playing. Question 42. The opposite of cold is dash. A. Hot. B. Warm. C. Cool. Question 43. She dash not like coffee. I see A. Do B. Does C. Did. Question 44. I have never dashed to London. A. Been. B. Go. C. Gone. Question 45. Fill in the blank. The sun dash in the east. A. Rise. B. Rises. C. Rising. Question 46. Choose the correct verb. He dash every day. A. Runs. B. Runs. C. Running. Question 47. What is the plural form of leaf? A. Leafs. B. Leaves. C. Leafs. Question 48. Fill in the blank. They dash playing chess now. A is B. RC Gemma. Question 49. The book is dash, then the magazine. A. Thicker. B. Thick. C. Thickest. Question 50. Which word is an adverb? O. slowly B, slow C, slower.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments. Subscribe Talk Learner for more videos, and also drop your target scores in the comments. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and a peaceful night too. Bye-bye.